How to repost an Instagram post. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can repost an Instagram post. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're logged in, now find out the post that you want to repost. So under the post, there is this paper clip icon or the airplane icon, you have to tap on it. Here, the Instagram does not have a built-in repost button like Twitter's retweet, but you can manually repost content in a few ways. First way is you can share this to your story. Tap on add to a story and then you can repost the post in your story. You can also tag the original poster for visibility. Once done, tap on your story and then this post will be reposted in your story. But if you want to repost it as a feed, then what you have to do is you can go back this card and then you can take a screenshot of this post. After that, crop it to remove unnecessary part and then upload it as a new post on your Instagram account. And these are some of the way to repost an Instagram post since Instagram does not have a built-in repost feature. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.